It's spring, the snow melted, time to change the winter tire of my truck. Because as a licensed mechanic, I know that when the temperature stays above freezing, those snow tires, the compound is too soft. And when it reaches above 7 degrees Celsius, it's gonna start chewing through those tires fast. But as you can see, those rims are pretty rusty, especially where the wheel nuts are gonna sit. And this is not good because with the rust breaking down as the wheel shakes going down the road, well, this is gonna get their nuts loose. I personally like to use the die grinder from Ryobi. This model is the PSBDG01. Has 4 settings. I use it with a sanding disc and a 4 amp hour edge battery to give it some good power. Now there's 4 settings on here. The first setting will give you up to RPM of 10,000 RPM. Second setting is 15,000. Third setting 20,000, and fourth setting is 22,000. The speed you select is up to you. You just want to remove the rust. You don't want to remove any of the material from the rim. Keep going until you don't see any more rust line into it. This section around it doesn't really matter. It's where the nut sits in that matters the most. Now those are ready to install. If you want to remove the little bit of rust around the hole, this is more for aesthetic purposes. So for this, I would use M2 pad like this here. This is the adapter that they mount into, so you can fit them in your tool. They're a little bit too big to fit into the hole, so you would have to grind them down or use a piece of steel and go against it until the wheels start to be smaller and then they fit, because I believe that this is the smallest size that you can get, which are about 2 inches. Now we're ready to put our tires on, and now there's no rust into the wheel nut area, so as long as you put your tire properly and you torque them to spec and you retorque them after 100 kilometers, then your wheels won't get loose on you. All right, good luck with your project. We'll see you in the next video.